All right, well, this is the last one for me. I know you have a wild card. You made a big deal about it. Last one for me. Apparently, a diver in Cape Cod found himself in the mouth of a humpback whale.
Yeah, this is crazy. I saw a video of it.
What? This is like some sort of fairy tale story or something, or biblical story or something. He's down there diving by himself. Apparently, they're usually in tandem, but I guess he's by himself on this one.
Yeah.
And he's looking for lobster, which I didn't know, but I thought they could just set a trap. He dives down there and just grabs a lobster. I guess that's a move.
Yeah.
Lobster's delicious.
If you just want one lobster for dinner, just grab one.
You ever eat those lobsters, Will?
Yes.
You did?
Uh-huh.
What did you think about it?
Yeah, they're great.
Did you have the melted butter and all those things?
Yeah.
And what do you have for the side dish?
I think it was coleslaw. Yeah. Coleslaw and fries.
One time I'm gonna go out east. I'm gonna go out there.
Yeah.
And
You
I'm
gotta
gonna-
get one of those rolls. The lobster roll.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out there. I might even put this gear on and go down there myself.
Just get one lobster.
Yeah, I might.
Swallowed up.
I don't know if it's that. I don't think you can. I'm from out of town. I just want to go. I'll probably get swallowed by a hump. Apparently, this doesn't happen very often. Michael Packard, 56 years old, said in local interviews and on social media he was diving off the coast of Provincetown, Mass. on Friday morning when the whale suddenly scooped him up. Here's a quote. I was in his closed mouth for about 30 to 40 seconds before he rose to the surface and spit me out. I'm very bruised up, but have no broken bones. He went limping to the hospital. He appeared to be very shook up. I saw the interview after. He's like, I thought about my family. And you can't even imagine. 40 seconds in the mouth. You can't even imagine.
Yeah. And, oh, man. He thought it was it.
Oh, yeah, you would.
He just saw darkness and then pain, I guess, because he broke his legs.
He had no broken bones.
Oh, in the video I saw, he said he hurt his legs.
Yeah, he was beat up, but actually after going to the hospital, there was no broken bones.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
But totally possible that there could have been, there's a bunch of ways he could have died, obviously, but it is a mistake. Like, this whale actually wants nothing to do with eating humans, right? It's looking for plankton or whatever. I guess it just so happened to find something else.
What happens if you get swallowed? Do you fight, or would you be like, that's it?
Honestly, man, how much time do you have? You're diving and you're in all this gear.
Yeah. Well, you got 40 seconds.
What does fighting even look like?
And don't you have some sort of weapon for the lobsters?
I don't think so. Are you talking about a spear or something?
Yeah.
You don't have to. Lobster, you just pick up a lobster, man.
Oh, okay, fine.
Maybe a net or something.
Fight with the net.
That's crazy. There were a couple witnesses too, yeah. Packard told Boston's WCVB TV that his mate came right over to me and got another guy to help pull me aboard. So there were other guys there. The other man was Joe Francis, a charter boat captain who happened to be nearby. I see. I saw Mike come flying out of the water, feet first with his flippers on, and land back in the water. I jumped aboard the boat. We got him up, got his tank off, got him on the deck, and calmed him down. And he goes, Joe, I was in the mouth of a whale. Oh, my God. That's a dream right there. To be clear, the whale did not want him in its mouth, comparing the situation to an open-mouthed biker accidentally inhaling a fly. You're just a fly to these whales, Will.
Yeah. It's like, oh, yuck. A human?
Yeah, he's not looking for you.